Clover Imaging Group leads the industry in designing and manufacturing premium ink and toner cartridges that provide high-quality and low-cost alternative to the OEM. By significantly investing in R&D, engineering, ISO 9001 certified production facilities, and state-of-the-art robotics and automation technology, our remanufactured cartridges offer consistent, reliable performance that meets or exceeds the OEM and other aftermarket suppliers. As the largest empties collector in the world, Clover Imaging Group has the best access to the widest range of high-quality cores. Environmental sustainability is one of CIG's core values. We diligently work to reduce waste and conserve natural resources to increase the environmental sustainability of our business and the products we remanufacture. In the first step of CIG's proprietary remanufacturing process, the thoroughly inspected cartridges we receive from our collection center are carefully disassembled with custom-built automation equipment. All the components are then removed, cleaned, and evaluated for future use. All the cartridges we produce go through a rigorous multi-step patented manufacturing process. Each step is overseen by experienced quality assurance auditors who test and analyze performance against established benchmarks. This state-of-the-art process includes proprietary digital filling and sealing techniques using custom-built robotics equipment to ensure consistent and accurate filling of inks and toner that are specially formulated for each type of cartridge. In the final step, every cartridge is inspected and tested in the printer for which it was manufactured. CIG's quality assurance testing process includes environmental chamber testing, pre- and post-production testing, and OEM benchmarking. Every cartridge we put our name on is backed by our 100% performance guarantee. CIG's industry-leading distribution capabilities ensure that no matter where you or your customers are located, we can get the product to you quickly and with the properly branded packaging and labeling in place. Through our extensive network of strategically located distribution facilities, Clover Imaging Group is able to provide 1 to 2 day transit across the majority of US and Canada. At Clover, we strive to achieve the highest levels of customer satisfaction in every area of our business and integrate quality, environmental sustainability, and health and safety into our products and the services we provide for our associates and customers.